Norming document management for Sage 300 provides the capability to store, organize, retrieve, and track supporting documents directly within modules such as procurement, finance, sales, inventory, and projects. It ensures that all business documents are digitally attached, centralized, and instantly accessible throughout the Sage 300, so users no longer need to search through emails, shared drives, or paper files. Today, many Sage 300 users face a major challenge. The system does not support document attachments. This means all supporting documents, like invoices, contracts, POs, approvals, emails, and receipts, are stored outside the ERP in places like email inboxes, shared drives, personal folders, or even paper files. Because of that, users face several problems. When reviewing a transaction, users cannot open the supporting document directly. They need to search emails or ask colleagues, which is time-consuming and frustrating. Approvers cannot see the related documents immediately. They need extra back-and-forth communication to confirm details, causing delays in AP, AR, procurement, and GL processes. Missing or incomplete documents lead to duplicate payments, wrong accounting entries, and inconsistent information. During audits, auditors cannot view supporting documents inside the ERP. Teams must manually gather files from different sources. This increases workload, slows down the audit, and exposes the company to compliance issues. Different teams store documents in different locations. When documents are not centralized, communication becomes inefficient, and decisions are delayed. Before using the attachment feature, there is a small setup step I want to talk about, and it's very simple. All you need to do is specify a folder where the system will store your attachment files. This can be either a local directory or a shared network folder, depending on your company's setup. With this quick setup, you instantly gain a centralized, organized space for all your supporting documents, making every transaction clearer, faster, and easier to validate. Documents can be attached across all Sage 300 modules, including third-party modules, and on virtually any screen. You can configure up to 5 different attachment folders on each screen, giving you complete flexibility to organize your documents exactly the way your business needs. Now, I will show you several real-world scenarios to demonstrate how norming document management helps you overcome these challenges. In each scenario, you will see how users can easily attach, view, and manage supporting documents directly inside Sage 300. No more searching emails, no more missing files, and no more audit headaches. Everything becomes centralized, traceable, and accessible with just one click. Before we even enter invoices or payments, everything begins with the vendor master. So that's why attaching documents to AP vendors is so important. When we're creating a new vendor in the system, vendor onboarding requires multiple documents, such as contract or supplier agreement. And attaching PO and invoice documents directly to the vendor record gives finance and procurement a complete vendor history in one place. With the attachment feature, you can set up multiple folders on the Sage 300 screen to categorize your supporting documents the way you prefer. And the moment you open the AP vendor screen, all these folders are instantly visible, giving you a clear and organized view from the very start. And once you upload a file, the system automatically saves it according to your predefined folder rules. For example, if you manage multiple Sage 300 companies, attachments can be organized by company ID, module name, screen name, ensuring every file is stored in the right place without any manual sorting. Now I can add an invoice. You will notice the invoice will be stored in another folder than the PO folder. I can upload the supplier agreement to a different folder. It supports up to 5 different folders on one single screen. As you can see, the POs, invoices, and supplier agreements are all automatically stored in their respective folders, keeping everything organized and easy to access. If you switch to another vendor and upload files, the folder names automatically adjust based on the vendor code, so your documents are always correctly categorized for each vendor. Files can be opened directly from the folder window within Sage 300. You don't need to open Windows File Explorer or search manually. Everything is accessible with just a click. Attaching supporting documents to an AP invoice is essential for accuracy, compliance, and efficiency in accounts payable. Without attachments, documents like employee expense receipt, approval emails are scattered across emails, shared drives, or personal folders. If a manager or auditor needs to check it, finance has to search multiple locations to find supporting files, wasting time and increasing the chance of errors. By uploading the invoice PDF directly to the AP invoice screen, the invoice is instantly linked to the transaction. Approvers and auditors can view the invoice at any time. And you can also attach employee receipt. This makes expense management simple, transparent, and fully traceable, all within the AP invoice screen. In Sage 300, you can attach any type of supporting document, such as PDFs, Excel files, Word documents, or images, directly to the transaction screen. These attachments stay linked to the specific entry, so during review or audit, users can simply click and open the documents instantly within Sage 300. Other supporting documents, such as timesheets for billing or additional files, can also be uploaded. If you don't want to create very detailed folder names, you can simply use a generic folder name, such as Others, to keep things organized without overcomplicating the structure. You can choose a different folder from the one used for the AP Vendor Master. This allows files to be organized by vendor name and invoice document number. Attaching supporting documents to a PO invoice ensures that all relevant information, such as the invoice PDF, vendor correspondence, and additional cost details, is centralized and easily accessible. You can attach any type of document to the screen without size limitations. You can even attach emails and open them directly from the attachment folder to review communications between the procurement team and vendors. This makes collaboration between finance and other teams seamless and more efficient. Suppose a vendor adds extra shipping charges or applies a discount. Normally, finance has to manually track vendor emails or notes to verify the change. With documents attached, finance can immediately see the reason for the discrepancy, confirm it matches the invoice. Emails can also be opened directly within Sage 300. From the attachment window, you can easily reply to the email or attach additional emails, making communication and document management much more efficient. All files can be stored separately for each PO invoice using the invoice number. If you want to add more files, you can click Explore to open the File Explorer and easily add, update, or edit documents. When finance receives a payment request from a vendor, the invoice, PO, and receipt are required for approval. Without attachments, the AP team would need to search through emails, shared drives, or paper files to verify the payment. By attaching the invoice, PO, and receipt directly to the payment transaction, everything is instantly accessible. Approvers can verify the payment in seconds without delays. During an audit, auditors may request proof that payments were properly authorized and supported. For example, withholding tax information. Without attachments, finance must collect documents from multiple sources, which is time-consuming and increases the risk of errors. By attaching all supporting documents directly to AP payments, companies streamline their workflow and achieve faster approvals and audit processes, since all documents are accessible in one centralized location. On the AP payment screen, users can access all related documents in one place. With a single click, they can open the purchase order, the goods receipt, and the vendor invoice. This makes it easy to verify quantities, prices, and approvals without jumping between different modules or screens, ensuring faster and more accurate payment processing. Next, let me show you how you can review a GL journal entry and verify the underlying transactions with attached documents. First, open the GL journal entry screen. Here you can see all the details of the transaction. If you have any doubts about the entry, you can drill down to the source transactions. This allows you to trace the journal entry back to the original documents. Click Drill Down, open the linked source transaction. Any documents attached to the source transaction, such as invoices, POs, receipts, or approvals, can be opened directly from this screen. This gives you full visibility and helps verify the accuracy of the journal entry without searching through multiple folders. Attaching supporting documents, like reconciliation sheets, ensures that every adjustment is backed by evidence. Reviewers can quickly verify calculations, balances, and the reason for the adjustment without manually searching for files. This provides a complete audit trail and demonstrates compliance, reducing the time and effort needed during internal or external audits. The spreadsheet or any attached document can be opened and reviewed directly from the attachment folder screen, making it quick and easy to access all supporting information. This feature ensures transparency, saves time, and makes audits or internal reviews much simpler, since all supporting documents are accessible in context with the GL entry. I hope this demonstration helps you understand how document management can significantly improve efficiency and transparency across your daily operations. If you have any questions or would like to see more scenarios, I'm happy to walk you through them. Thank you for your time.